How to build a WhatsApp AI agent in 2025. I'm going to tell you how to create a WhatsApp AI assistant in 2025. For beginners, Relevance.ai is your best friend. It's a no code platform where you can drag and drop logic blocks, teach your agent replies, summaries, or workflows, and connect it to WhatsApp via business API or integrations like Make.com. You don't need to code. Just choose the templates and train your agent with your needs in mind. If you're more technical or aiming to build something deeper, go with Agentive. It lets you automate lead qualification, CRM updates, scheduling, and can work even without official API access. It's powerful, flexible, and great for advanced users. And here's how to get it running. Pick your platform, either Relevance.ai for ease or Agentive for flexibility. Connect a WhatsApp business number via Twilio or Meta's Cloud API. Define your agent's role, like answering questions, taking orders, or scheduling. And add logic or prompts. Then test it in real chat until it responds naturally and fits your workflow.